The president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, MAAUN Kano, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, has described the nursing profession as the most respected profession in the world. Professor Israr made the remark on Wednesday, the 17th of May 2023 at the first International Nurses Week celebration organized by the university for nursing students.
Nursing has been a profession with high standards and a strong sense of public service for over 150 years. Nurses are amongst the most respected of all our professionals. It is the future of nursing as a profession, not its past, that makes me confident about the young women and men undertaking their nursing education today.
He therefore charged the nursing students to make the best use of the opportunity provided to them by the university so as to realize their dream and excel in their chosen fields. According to him, the event was organized by the university to commemorate the birth of Florence Nightingale in 1820, the foundational philosopher of modern nursing. In his lecture presentation, the provost of Sharif College of Nursing Sciences, Kano, Malam Sabo Yusuf, identified some of the challenges being faced by the nurses, which include shortage of workforce, heavy workload, burnout and low wages, and lack of protection, among others. He, however, called on the government to employ more nurses to address the shortage of manpower in various health facilities.
I am telling you, you have made the right choice, and the sky is the limit. You only need to work hard. There is no end to it. If you remember, Nigeria has a population of 200 plus million people. And the people standing in this spot, you, are only a tip of the iceberg in the population, and you have been lucky to be admitted to study nursing. I'll tell you, so clap for yourself for doing that.
Investment in nursing is indeed very necessary now if we're to meet the healthcare challenges in the future, he said. He commended the management of the university for organizing the event, which, according to him, the week is being celebrated annually to pay tribute to nurses for their dedication, professionalism, and tireless services to patients across the world. Also speaking at the occasion, the Vice President Campus Life, Dr. Hamza Garba, acknowledged the contributions of the founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, in producing a number of nurses at the degree, master's, and PhD levels. Before now, there were a few number of nurses in the country, but with the establishment of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria by Professor Adamu Abubakar Gorzo, there are now nurses who have degree, master's, and PhD in nursing, Dr. Garba said. In his remark, the Dean School of Nursing Sciences, Dr. Umar Lawal Bello, represented by Dr. Abdurrashid Idris, urged the students to face their studies with all seriousness, as nursing is one of the most marketable professions in the world. He also charged them to be disciplined and of good moral character to enable them succeed in life, adding that education without good morals is nothing. The program, which took place at the Rakiatu Hassan Musi School of Nursing Sciences, was also attended by top management staff of the university, including Head of International Office Engineer Bashir Garba, Head of Human Resource Hajia Maimuna Bello, Dr. Lawan Kankia, Dr. Shaibu Abrashid, and Malam Salele Abdul, Chairman Governing Board, Sharif College of Nursing Sciences.